Today, we're tackling those everyday stains that can really dampen a room's spirit. You know, the ones that make you think twice about inviting guests over or letting the kids play in the living room. But don't worry, I'm here to tell you that you don't need fancy products or expensive cleaners to tackle those tough marks. We're going back to basics with some simple DIY solutions using ingredients you probably already have around the house. We're talking pantry staples, folks. We'll walk through each stain-fighting technique step by step so you can feel confident about banishing those blemishes for good. So, are you ready to reclaim your home from the clutches of stubborn stains? Let's get our hands dirty and bring back that fresh, clean feeling we all love. Before we start, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. Let's be honest, coffee spills happen. Whether it's a rushed morning commute or a cozy evening in, our carpets often take the hit. But before you panic, let's grab those trusty pantry staples. First, mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Add just a teaspoon of gentle dish soap. The kind you use for hand-washing dishes works best. Give it a good shake to mix everything together. Now gently blot the coffee stain with the solution. Don't rub. Blotting helps lift the stain without grinding it further into the fibers. Take your time and be patient. Once you've blotted the area thoroughly, grab a clean cloth and dampen it with cold water. Gently rinse the area, again using a blotting motion. You'll be surprised how easily that stubborn coffee stain surrenders. Remember, the key is to act quickly. The sooner you treat the stain, the easier it will be to remove. We've all been there. One minute you're signing an important document and the next, you're battling an ink stain on your favorite shirt. But don't toss it in the donation pile just yet. Rubbing alcohol, a true household hero, is here to save the day. Simply dab a bit of rubbing alcohol onto a clean cotton swab or cloth. Test it on a hidden area of the garment first to ensure color fastness. Gently work the rubbing alcohol into the ink stain, starting from the outside and working your way inwards. You'll see the ink begin to break down and transfer to the cloth. Let the rubbing alcohol sit on the stain for a few minutes to work its magic. Then, toss the garment into the washing machine on a regular cycle with your usual detergent. Once the cycle is complete, check to see if the stain has vanished. If not, repeat the process before drying. Red wine spills are a dinner party's worst nightmare, but fear not. We can tackle those pesky stains with a little ingenuity. First things first, grab some salt. Table salt acts like a sponge, drawing the wine up and away from the fabric. Generously sprinkle salt over the entire stain and let it sit for at least 15 minutes. While the salt works its magic, mix equal parts dish soap and hydrogen peroxide in a bowl. Once the salt has absorbed most of the wine, gently brush it off. Now, dip a clean cloth into your soapy peroxide solution and gently blot the stained area. Again, avoid rubbing, as it can spread the stain. Continue blotting until the stain disappears. You might need to repeat this process a few times for stubborn stains. Grease stains are a fact of life in the kitchen, but they don't have to overstay their welcome. This next solution is a classic for a reason. It's simple, effective, and uses ingredients you likely have right now. Grab your trusty box of baking soda and sprinkle a generous amount over the greasy surface. Now, add a bit of water to form a paste. Think the consistency of pancake batter. Using a soft cloth or sponge, gently work the baking soda paste into the grease stain. You'll feel the paste absorbing the grease as you scrub. Once you've scrubbed the area well, wipe away the paste with a damp cloth. If any grease lingers, repeat the process. Remember, a little elbow grease goes a long way, but let the baking soda do most of the work. We love our furry friends, but accidents happen. Whether it's a new puppy or an older pet, those stains can be tricky. But don't worry, we've got a natural solution that's safe for your family and your carpets. Start by grabbing your white vinegar and baking soda. In a bowl, mix equal parts vinegar and water. Then, sprinkle baking soda generously over the stained area. Now, slowly pour the vinegar solution over the baking soda. You'll see it fizz and bubble. That's a good sign. The fizzing action helps lift the stain and neutralize odors. Let the mixture sit on the stain for at least 30 minutes or even overnight for tougher stains. Once it's had time to work, vacuum up the dried baking soda. You'll be amazed at how fresh and clean your carpets smell. Well, there you have it. 5 common household stains tackled with simple DIY solutions. Remember, keeping a tidy home doesn't require harsh chemicals or expensive products. Often, the most effective solutions are the simplest ones, using ingredients you already have on hand. So next time you're facing a stubborn stain, don't panic. Take a deep breath and remember these tips. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY solutions. See you in the next video.